Hey, I want to show you guys before, because technically I'm doing this house right here, all brand new electrical, this whole house. They're still framing it out, you know, they're still gonna be another week while they frame it out. But I took advantage that the floors were open, so I ended up running at least my home runs. I ran three 3/4 ones right here, and then these hug this wall right here. And then I ran 1/2 inch. This one's for the AC. And that one, the same thing, goes all the way inside the cross space. But I wanted to show you guys what's going on over here. But this is a before. This is still step one. He still has to frame, but I wanted to show you guys the whole process actually. So this is just showing you guys what it is. Hey, this is the before for a bedroom. Basic setup, 4 outlets, 2 switches, one for the ceiling fan, and one for a closet light over here. But I wanted to show you guys the before. Alright, so this is what it looks like once it started to get a pipe electrically. Just so you guys see what's going on.